Hey, 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 how you doing? Welcome to the Blue Bike Indoors channel. Or today it's the Black Bike Indoors channel. TBB Indoors. Run an intro and we'll tell you what we're doing. Yep, tell you what we're doing. Probably get rained on. Hey, alright, how y'all doing? We on Black Betty today. Yep, the mistress. She's not been out of the barn for about 2 weeks now. Out of the shed. Whoa, Black Betty. So, what are we doing today? I was going to do this, get over here. And it is 71 degrees at 9:40, so we should get over there like 9:40. So we headed over to Woods and Waters in Munford, Alabama. Well, I was over there, but you didn't see it. Tuesday, let her get an oil change. Let's blow the smud out of it. The slut. Yeah, gotta clean them carburetors out, even though I don't have carburetors. So we riding over there because they doing a demo day and mud bug board. That's crawfish boil, and you know they call it mud bugs and something else. Demo days. So they gonna have vendors and mostly have vendors, and I don't know what. I really don't know. Never been to a Can-Am demo day. But I'm planning on riding. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna ride some Can-Ams. Even though I know maybe she get to ride a Ryder. That's about the only thing she could ride due to her small statured. And so we'll do that. We'll do that. I want to ride one of them Canyons, and maybe I'll ride a Ryder too. Yep. We'll see how many people show up. I think later on today it becomes like 34 to 40% or 60%. It might rain. It's one of them days they got rain in every day forecast. Gotta be just right. Hey, how you mama, Nim? Where you at? Get you a little tightened up. I had to switch my arm over to the mistress from the Lucille, because I've been riding Lucille a lot. So how you mama, Nim, and your family, and you check on a buddy lately? Yeah, I did. I checked on Ken. He's doing all right. Mr. G, he calls at least once a day. So, no, just kidding. It's every other day. So let's get over here and see what's going on. What is that? Kitty cat. A camouflage cat toy or dog toy. You didn't see it because I was on this camera. Optimizations. Oh Lord, let's just shut up and get it there, and we'll see you when we get over to Munford, Alabama. But we almost over here at Munford. I don't know where the city limits of Munford is. We're just leaving Oxford. Caught all the red lights but that one. Everybody wants to obey God. Well, how about obeying the speed limit? You just keep speeding up. Guess we just gonna race then, ain't we? Hey, everybody wants to speed today. Here we are. Let's see what they want us. Where we gonna go in? They got all the Spyders over here and over there. Which way we go? have a clue where they want us to park. Yep, that's our old one.
Does sound like brake cracker. Sound like brake cracker. It's exactly what it sounds.
It's not, this is only does it when you go into the turn.
Yeah, that's what mom was doing it too. Same thing.
And maybe the ABS sensor and people can turn. Yeah. Chain drive, right? It's built.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Looks like it's belt.
It's built. You would think with the off-road they would put a chain.
Or a shaft.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Second place goes to Sarah at 7 potato bowls.
Thank you.
Potato biter.
Yes. Thank you.
I think you should get an extra for biting.
That was great.
And first place goes to Tommy.
Oh, shoot.
I demand a recount.
Oh.
I demand a recount.
Ridiculous.
Recount.
It's rigged. All right. Oh, man. That's cool. Yep. So ridiculous.
You know what? Okay. Win. With 12 and 5.
Hey! My lucky number.
Is it that's your lucky number?
I like it. Listen, I'll trade somebody for a 1 and a 2.
Second place goes to Tommy for 15.
Nice.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Rick. Thank you. Yeah.
Is it 1 and 2?
I just need a third place. Let's go.
First place goes to the Eaters. Robin and Steve
Yeah.
at 16. So we'll have to take it up there.
Alright, let's get out of here before it starts raining, which it's already started raining, but I think we can get ahead of it. Yep, I think we can get ahead of it. Gotta go out this way. Pretty good group of people there. Because everybody wants to talk to her about the floorboards and stuff. They're paving the road here. So let's get ahead of this rain, maybe, hopefully. I think we will. maybe. I'll let you know if we don't make it home before it rains, which it already looks like it might have done rained up here. Maybe, maybe not, maybe, I don't know. But anyway, go check out that video there, that one there. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. We'll see you down the road. Bam! Next week.